Hello there. In this tutorial, I will walk you through the steps on how to buy or enable ID protection for your domain after a domain purchase. My name is Nanajwa from StormerHost. Let's get started. First of all, domain ID protection is a service that masks or hides your personal or company details from the publicly accessible Whois database. You may have probably received several spam emails or WhatsApp messages from people requesting to design a website or provide other web-related services for you right after registering a domain. Well, this is because your details are publicly available in the Whois records. For a small fee, we offer ID protection as an add-on to your domain to protect your name, email, address, and phone number against spammers and online fraudsters. You have an option to enable this add-on during your domain purchase. To enable this for your domain after purchase, log into your StormerHost client area. Click on Domains. This takes you to My Domains page. I'll be enabling ID protection from my domain shdemo.com in this tutorial. Click on Manage at the far end of the domain. This takes you to the domain management page. Click on Addons under the Manage menu on the far right of your screen. The add-on page opens showing you the add-ons available for your domain. Click on Buy Now under the ID protection. An invoice generated for the order will appear on the screen. Click on Pay Now above the invoice highlighted in green. A pop-up appears. Click on the drop-down arrow to choose your payment method and click Pay Now. ID protection will be enabled after paying the invoice. This brings us to the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions, you can call our support line or send us a message on our website. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.